month, I'll show you how to use the Marketo Connector. First, we go to Systems. From Connections, we hit the big green plus. And we are going to create Marketo. As for type, we also search for Marketo. There it is, under the API. We need the client ID. So we copy that, paste it in like so. The secret, like so. And of course, the API URL, copy it, paste in, save. Okay, it says connection has been saved, so we were successful. So we want to save and close. Now we want to create a table using the connector. So once again, we go to table and add new table. Call it Marketo. Put it in the TMMData folder there. We will use from connection. And we will never back this up. Hit next. Connection, of course, we want the Marketo connection that we just created. Select data, we will go with leads, and we want this just to update once for now. Hit save. As you can see, it's building the file. And there we are, 201 records entered. So we go to our grid, and there is the information. And that is how you use our Marketo connector. Thanks for watching.